Hello. Today we are going to make a Valentine using the Word Art tool. And Word Art is found underneath the Insert tab right here. It says Word Art. You're going to create your Valentine on slide number 2. We're going to start by selecting our background. And once we select it, we're going to go on this circle here and change the color and select Done. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is to insert a shape. So now we're going to go to Shapes right here, the little circle with the square. Select that, select Shapes, and look at this. We have a nice little Valentine here. I'm going to touch the left side corner and drag my Valentine down. Now, I'm using a mouse, and you can do this also using your touchpad. I'm going to go ahead and delete that and try it again to show you how to do it. So I hover over the shape, I tap my mouse pad, I select shape, tap the mouse pad, and go over the shape I want and tap the mouse pad. Now I'm going to go to the left side, and I'm going to put my left finger on the lower corner. Now I have that circle that comes up, and now I'm just going to drag it, my other finger, down to the right, and that will give me the size of the big size of the heart that I want. Another way to do that is to go ahead, hover over your shape, touch your shape, tap your mouse pad, tap your mouse pad, tap it again, and your shape comes up. But it's not big enough. I want to make it as large as possible. So you see we have our blue squares around the shape here now. So I can go into the Format and Format Options. And here I can just tell it to insert larger in inches. Or I can do the scale. I can lock the aspect ratio and just scale it up. Lastly, we could go back here and just touch the corner and drag it bigger. But you want your shape to be as large as possible to fill your screen. Now I'm going to change the color of the heart. Again, my blue box is around my shape, so I'm still in the shape. So I'm going to go up here and touch fill color. If you're not in the shape, look at this. There's no fill color up here. So I'm going to go back and touch the heart, and the fill color comes up. And I'm going to go ahead and select gradient this time, and look at what happens. I have all these rounded looking shapes. So there's my big heart. Now over here on the Format options, again, I'm going to show you how to get to that. If we do Format and Format Options, down here, I'm going to close the size and rotation, and I'm going to add a drop shadow. And so this is the drop shadow, and this is telling us distance, the word distance, and see how it drops it down far from the shape itself. And I can do it at an angle, up or down. By moving that box, and the blur radius was telling us how crisp or blurry the line will be. I'm going to go ahead and do a very blurry line. Okay. I can also select a reflection. I'm going to go ahead and close that by touching that little arrow there. I can and look what happens. It reflects down. And again, I can do the same thing with the reflection and the size, etc. The other thing I want to do is rotate. And again, I'm going to go back up here and see right here the word angle there, and it's the degrees. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it 5 degrees that way, or 5 degrees this. I'm going to go ahead and just turn it 5 degrees that way. Okay, and I can go right back in and adjust its location. So there's a lot that you've just learned how to use shapes. And I want you to include a drop shadow, and I want you to change the angle and change the color on your shape. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, that is step 2, using your shapes. Step 3 now is to insert word art. So I'm going to go right up here to the word insert, and I'm going to select word art, and this text box comes up. But this is a little bit different than the regular text box. And what's nice is it's layering it for us automatically. So I am going to select the letter I, and it says here, press enter to save. Use shift enter for multiple lines. I'm going to just use one for now. I'm going to press enter, and that's the letter I for I heart you is what I'm going to say. Up here it says the word Arial. I'm going to change the font to a much more fun font. I'm going to use caution. Well, maybe I'll use, let's see what's down here. Gloria Hallelujah. There we go. That's a fun one. And I'm just going to move it over in position. And what I'm going to do is I heart you. So I'm going to add another word. I'm going to do insert word art you. And I'm going to move that over here. And I'm going to go back and change the color on that as well to Gloria Hallelujah. And so now I have the letters. I'm going to go back and change the colors of these letters to using the gradient again. I'm going to use, I'm in the U now, so the blue box is around the U, so that's the one I'm using. And let's see if I can go a little bit darker. I heart you. Okay, let's go back to this one now and select, I didn't select gradient. Let's go ahead and select gradient. I don't like those colors very much, so I think I'm going to go with something a little brighter. There we go. So that's my word art for today. I could make a border around. I want to go back to my heart, and I want to change the border. So you can see I have my blue box around the heart, so I can change the border color. And I'm going to go ahead and make it blue. And I'm going to change the border width. There we go. So that's my art for today. I might make the heart a little bit smaller. And I'm going to turn the U on an angle and the I on an angle. Now I don't have drop shadows on the letters, so I'm in the boxes around my eye now, so I can go ahead and add a drop shadow to that. And again, I'm going to make the distance come out and the blur radius. I'll make it a little bit firmer. And I'm going to do the same thing for the U. I've got the box around the U here. I can go back up here and change the color if I want. And I'm going to add a drop shadow over here and make the distance pop out. So there is my, I'm going to go ahead and add the reflection, and I'm going to add the reflection on the eye. So that is my art for today. Now I want you to go ahead and make your art on slide number 2. Now you can make more than one if you want, and the way you do that is you can see here I'm on slide number 2, now I'm on slide number 3. I can go right between the two and add touch the plus sign right there, and a new slide will come up. I have to go ahead and touch the border and press the backspace button on my keyboard to delete. I touch the border, press the backspace button on my keyboard to delete, and now I can add another one. Well, have fun making your Valentine word art today.